Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock all levels in Candy Crush Saga. The main way to progress is by successfully completing levels and earning stars. Each episode typically requires a certain number of stars or help from friends to unlock the next set of challenges. This ensures a steady and engaging gameplay experience for everyone. To earn stars, you must successfully complete each level. Achieving a higher score will award you more stars, up to a maximum of 3 per level. For instance, collecting 15 stars across an episode often unlocks the next gate, allowing you to continue your sweet adventure. Focus on strategic moves to maximize your score. Another effective method is to send requests to your Facebook friends. When you reach an episode gate, you have the option to ask for assistance. You will need 5 friends to accept your request, and once they do, the gate will open, granting you access to new levels. This is a great way to connect with others. For those who prefer not to wait, you can use gold bars to instantly unlock any episode gate. This option provides immediate access to new levels, allowing you to continue playing without interruption. Gold bars can be purchased within the game or sometimes earned through special in-game events and challenges. It's a quick solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.